In today's world, email marketing is an important piece of customer engagement and loyalty strategy. With the email editor in NCR Voyix Consumer Marketing, you can easily create engaging emails that help you stay top of mind and build lasting relationships with your guests. Let's dive into how the email editor empowers you to craft emails that resonate with your audience. The email editor lets us see exactly how the email will look as it's built, so there are no surprises. Dragging and dropping content from the right-hand side into the body of the email is simple and intuitive. On the right-hand side, there are 3 tabs: Content, Container Blocks, and Body. The Content tab offers options for a column, button, divider, heading, text, image, menu, or even custom HTML. The Container Block tab provides various layouts to house content based on how many sections or alignments are desired. The Body tab lets us make style changes that affect the overall formatting of the email. In this example, let's build an email inviting customers to the grand opening of a new location. Start by adding the restaurant's logo. A block is already ready for us to begin. Select Image from the content options on the right. Drag it into the email and click the image placeholder to open the Select Image window. Click on Select Image, choose the image to use, or upload a new file. After selection, click Insert. Now that it's in the email, adjust the size, padding, and alignment to make sure it fits well within the layout. Next, add structure to the email by inserting a new block beneath the logo. Select a container block with the preferred layout and drag it under the image to organize the content. To highlight the key message in the email, go to the Content window, select Heading, and drag the heading block into the email body. Double-click the heading to open the text format window. Scroll down to Font Family to select the desired style. Then, type your message. For this example, type, "You're invited to our grand opening." Center the text and adjust the font size slightly to make it stand out. Now, add another section by inserting a new block beneath the heading. Next, insert a photo of the new location to build excitement. Click Add Content, select Image, and choose the image to add. Adjust the size or alignment as needed to fit the design. To provide more details, insert another block and select Text. Double-click the text block to type in additional information. Customize the font size, style, and alignment to match the design. To make the email more visually engaging, add some color with images. Add a container block with 3 sections. In each section, insert an image to showcase different aspects of the new restaurant. Simply drag the image block into each section, select the images, and adjust them until perfectly aligned. Continue adding more sections to enhance the design, like a call to action. Insert a button to encourage guests to take the next step, like visiting the location or RSVPing for the event. Drag the button into the layout. Change the text to RSVP and link it to the desired URL, such as the website or reservation page. Customize the button's background color, text color, and size to make it stand out. Finally, we'll use a menu block to add links to the website, location information, or reservation page. Customize the link's text, color, and layout to match the brand, and add a separator between them for clarity. Once all the content is added, preview the email. Scroll down to check important details like the subject line, preview text, and the scheduled send time. When satisfied with the email, click save as draft to store it, or send when ready to distribute. Whether you're promoting a new menu item, sharing an upcoming event, or announcing a new promotion, NCR Voyix Consumer Marketing makes it easy to create and send emails that connect with your audience and turn them into loyal, raving fans.